Hi, this is Jim on the RV DJ channel. Today, we're going to replace our existing TPMS system with this new one that's highly rated from Amazon. It's pretty cool because you don't have to plug it into your cigarette lighter or anything. It actually gets charged by being mounted on the dashboard with a big solar panel on the top. So let's open the box and we'll see what we got. So this is the head unit. It does come with a charge, so I'll turn it on. So there's no sensors attached to it right now. So, but you can see this is the head unit. It's nice and clear. It comes preset from the factory for alarm values. We're going to change them slightly once we get everything installed. It also comes with 4 sensors, one for each tire on the trailer. It comes preset from the factory with maximum values. We're going to do a slight change on that through the menu because the tire pressure on this trailer is 50 pounds and that's where it's set from the factory to alarm. So we're going to add some pressure to that once we get everything installed. They install really easy, and we're going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take the old sensor from our old unit off. Screws right off. And then we'll put the other one on. Now, each one of these is marked to where it goes. So this one says right rear, which means it's going to go on the passenger side rear tire. I'm going to crank that down tight. Okay, and that's all there is to it. We're going to do that for the other 3 tires, and then we'll get back to you.
So now that we have the sensors on the tires, we're going to turn the unit on. Give it a second to read. So 2 of the tires are reading at 49, and 2 of them are reading at 51 PSI.
Okay.
It's 82 degrees outside. Now the pressures have been set by the factory, so the minimum pressure they have it set at is 28 low for the lowest temperature and 50 pounds as the highest. Well, we have obviously 50 pounds of pressure in the tires, and the sensors are reading them at 51. So we have to adjust those temperatures in the system so that the alarm doesn't go off. We have to account for when the tires heat up when we start driving. So the program button to get into the menu is the middle one. So we're going to set the PSI. It is currently pressure low at 26 and pressure high at 50. We're going to go up to 55. For the high. And I guess we could leave the low. What do you want the minimum pressure to be?
Just leave it
where it is. We'll leave that one where it is at 26. And press this for 3 seconds, and it saves all the pressures. So that's what it looks like. And because you can charge it via solar panel, you just sit it up on your dashboard. They give you a little piece of Velcro for the bottom. That little rectangle right there. That's the solar panel. It's like really tiny. Sits up there. Nothing major. And it's currently charging. So that is the unboxing of the Marcala TPMS sensor system. We won't be able to really check it out till we take our trip in September, so maybe we'll come back and do a review video. And if you have a trailer that's longer than 36.5 feet long, they suggest getting an extender so that the receiver will be able to read those sensors. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.